Today, on this glorious 15th of August, we gather together to celebrate India's Independence Day, the day when our hearts fill with pride, eyes shine with hope, and our voices rise together to sing Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara. We remember Mahatma Gandhi, the apostle of peace, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the roaring lion of freedom, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Jawaharlal Nehru, and many more. They fought, they bled, they died so that we could live free. But before we get lost in the colors of the celebration, let us pause. Let me give you a reality check. Let us hold a mirror in front of our society and let's have a look at that mirror and let's see what that mirror shows to us. In the year 1947, we got independence. But I want all of you to ask a question to yourself that are we truly independent right now? Ask one more time that are we truly independent now? We call this land Bharat Mata. But is every daughter of Bharat truly independent? Is every daughter of Bharat truly independent? We have the right to move anywhere. But can a woman walk alone at midnight without any fear? The Constitution guarantees us the right to live under Article 21. But does it guarantee us the right to live without fear? With safety? Does it? We talk of progress. But do our mothers not feeling stressed and anxious when their daughters are late to home? We have laws for equality. But do we treat every woman, every girl, every child equally in our home, school, offices, society? Do we? Even if your answer is no to any of these questions, then our independence is not complete today. I don't know about others, but my heart says no to each and every question asked by me. Not just it says, it just screams a big no to all these questions. सच हमेशा कड़वा होता है. A proverb in Hindi. And yes, this is the truth. This is the reality. We have to accept this reality that India is now not independent. We are not truly independent. We have to admit that independence is not just the absence of that foreign ruler. It's about the safety. It's about the dignity of each and every student, each and every person living in that country. At a moment when a woman is stepping into the moon, somewhere the society whispering into the ears of a girl, do not go outside, the world is not made for you. Why? True independence is when every citizen, regardless of their caste, gender, religion or class, can live without discrimination, without any kind of fear and without any barriers to their dream. But what's our reality? What's our reality? We are the nation racing to the moon, but yet still struggling to make the streets safe for the girls. And yes, this is the reality. We are a country with a rich cultural heritage, but still battling with the chains of prejudice, discrimination and inequality. We talk of progress and here a girl is afraid to go out of her home, to step out of her home, she is afraid. In this situation, we talk of progress. We stand tall before the world, but still we bow our heads when we hear the woman's story living in fear. At a moment when we are celebrating the achievement of a girl, at that time someone is whispering, the world is not made for you. It's not safe. Why don't we just teach the boys that you should go outside at late night? Just because they are boys? Just because they are boys? My dear friends, let us roar together that Nari ka Samman, Desh ka Abhiman, and we have to place this that Nari ka Samman, Desh ka Abhiman. Let us place that we want freedom without fear. We want a safety place for every sister. We want freedom without fear. We want safety for every sister. We will respect, unite and protect. We will respect, unite and protect. Only then the nation will be truly independent. Only then the nation will be truly independent. At last, I want to leave you just with one question, that will you just shout Jai Hind this morning, or will you live in a way that makes every sister, every girl, every woman in the nation to say, I feel free and safe today, and yes, I feel free and safe today. On this note, thank you.